Making videos from scratch can be a real pain, right? All that script writing, animation stuff, and editing. It's a lot. But get this, there's this cool thing called InVideo AI that totally skips all that boring stuff for you. It whips up videos in like minutes, and they look pretty sweet too. You just type in whatever topic you want, and bam! InVideo AI cranks out a video with everything: script, visuals, subtitles, even a voiceover, and music. Pretty neat, right? You just tell it your idea, throw in some details like how long you want it, where you're gonna post it, what kind of accent you want for the voiceover, and then sit back and watch the magic happen. And get this, you can make videos in pretty much any language. Just type it out in whatever language you want, or if you need to, you can even translate your video into a ton of other languages with a quick text command. How cool is that? Now, about those voiceovers, they're pretty slick. They sound super real and keep people watching. And here's the kicker, you can even clone your own voice with AI. No more spending hours recording stuff. Just make it sound like you and boom, personalized videos that stay consistent. If you need to tweak stuff in the video, no sweat. You can make big or small changes just by typing out what you want like you're talking to a real video editor. And guess what? They've got a mobile app too. So your whole creative process just got way more flexible. Stop struggling with complex video editing software or expensive freelancers. InVideo empowers you to become a video pro and take your content to the next level. Boost your visibility, drive more conversions, and leave a lasting impression on your audience. Want to give it a shot? Just hit the link below to create a free account and you're good to go. Super easy.